This is a brand new 2013 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Continental Acura is a proud member of the Naperville Test Track. Visit us today for your best test drive experience ever.